It might sound extreme, but eating the wrong kind of meat after 60 could quietly shave years off your life. And what's worse, most seniors are doing it without even realizing it. According to the World Health Organization, processed meats like bacon and deli ham are now classified as Group 1 carcinogens, the same category as cigarettes and asbestos. Just 2 slices a day can increase your risk of colon cancer by 18%. That's not a rumor. That's real science, that comforting smell from the pan. The juicy flavor that reminds you of Sunday breakfast. It all feels familiar, even harmless. But behind that scent and taste, there may be a dangerous mix of saturated fat, chemicals, and inflammation, triggering compounds slowly wearing down your heart, your memory, and your independence. The scariest part? Some of the most harmful meats are the ones we've trusted for decades. But it's not all bad news. Because just as some meats accelerate aging and disease, others can rebuild strength, improve circulation, and even protect your brain. And today we're going to show you both sides. You'll discover 4 meats you must remove from your plate immediately, and 4 that can help you live longer, feel stronger, and think clearer. Starting now, stick with us until the end, because meat number 4 on the never list is one you probably have in your kitchen right now. Before we dive into the meats that help you age better, let's first look at the ones that might be working against you quietly, gradually, and without clear warning signs. These meats might look innocent on your plate. They might be favorites from your younger years or easy choices for a quick lunch. But over time, they can do real harm, raising blood pressure, triggering inflammation, and silently damaging your organs. It's not just about avoiding what's bad. It's about knowing which foods are quietly taking a toll on your body. So, let's start with the 4 meats you should never touch again after 60. 1. Duck, the hidden danger. In every bite, duck may sound like a luxury on the dinner table, rich, flavorful, and perfect for special occasions. But for older adults, this special treat may quietly be contributing to health problems that build up over time. Unlike lean poultry such as chicken or turkey, duck is much higher in saturated fat, which is known to raise bad cholesterol and increase the risk of heart disease. Even a modest serving of duck can deliver more fat than your body needs, especially if it's cooked with the skin on or fried in oil. That excess fat isn't just a number on the scale. It clogs arteries, burdens the liver, and raises inflammation throughout the body. Over time, this can lead to high blood pressure, fatigue, joint pain, and more serious conditions. What's more, duck isn't just fatty, it's also calorie-dense. For seniors trying to manage weight, blood sugar, or cholesterol, it offers little nutritional value for the cost. And if you're already dealing with heart concerns, duck can quickly push things in the wrong direction. Even when roasted, it tends to leave a greasy residue that's hard for older digestive systems to process. We're not saying you can never have duck again, but it should never be a weekly habit. If you enjoy it once or twice a year on holidays, that's one thing. But for regular meals, it's time to look toward leaner, safer options. 2. Fried meats, the silent inflammation. Fuel, crispy, golden, and full of flavor, fried meats like chicken wings, pork chops, or country fried steak are staples in many American households. But for seniors, that crunchy coating often hides something far more dangerous, a recipe for chronic inflammation. When meat is fried, especially at high temperatures, it produces harmful compounds called AGEs, advanced glycation, end products, and trans fats. These substances aren't just hard on your arteries. They actively damage cells, disrupt your metabolism, and trigger inflammation throughout the body. Inflammation is one of the biggest drivers of aging-related disease, from arthritis and diabetes to heart conditions and memory decline. What makes it worse is that fried meat is often paired with unhealthy oils, ones that have been reused or overheated. These oils break down into toxic byproducts that burden the liver and kidneys, making it harder for aging bodies to filter them out. Fried meats also tend to be higher in sodium and calories, making them a double threat for older adults. The crunch may satisfy in the moment, but the long-term cost includes joint pain, brain fog, and rising blood pressure. If you love that crispy texture, there are safer ways to enjoy it. Try baking or air frying with olive oil, whole grain coatings, and herbs. You can still enjoy your favorites just without the silent damage. 3. Bacon, the nostalgic killer, the sizzle, the smell, the childhood memories of weekend breakfasts. For many Americans, bacon is more than just a food, it's a tradition. But for seniors, bacon might be one of the most dangerous things still sitting in your refrigerator. Bacon is a processed meat, meaning it's cured with preservatives like nitrates and nitrites to extend shelf life and enhance flavor. But once inside the body, these chemicals can form nitrosamines, carcinogenic compounds strongly linked to colon, pancreatic, and stomach cancer. According to the World Health Organization, processed meats like bacon are in the same cancer risk category as cigarettes. That's not an exaggeration. It's a fact based on decades of research, and the risks don't stop at cancer. Bacon is loaded with sodium and saturated fat, which raise blood pressure and cholesterol. But even more concerning are the age's advanced glycation end products that form when bacon is cooked at high heat. These compounds accelerate inflammation, stiffen blood vessels, and damage brain cells. So, while your taste buds might enjoy the crunch, your body pays a heavy price. The more frequently bacon appears on your plate, the more you're feeding the very conditions that threaten your independence, from heart disease to memory loss. Is an occasional bite of bacon the end of the world? No, but should it be part of your weekly routine? Absolutely not. For a healthier alternative, try turkey bacon with no added nitrates, or skip it entirely and add avocado or a poached egg for flavor and satisfaction. 4. Processed red meat, the everyday risk. Sliced ham. Sausages cold, cuts in a sandwich. These may look like quick, harmless meals, especially for seniors living alone or managing tight schedules. But behind the convenience lies a dangerous truth. Processed red meats are among the most damaging foods for aging bodies. These meats are often packed with preservatives, salt, and chemical additives to increase shelf life and flavor. But they also flood your body with nitrates and sodium, both of which are linked to chronic inflammation, heart disease, and kidney strain. Even more alarming, eating just 50 grams of processed meat per day, roughly 2 slices of deli ham, can increase your risk of colorectal cancer by 18%. This isn't speculation. It's based on large-scale studies reviewed by the World Health Organization. For older adults, the danger is even greater. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at detoxifying chemicals, balancing blood pressure, and repairing damaged tissue. What a younger person might bounce back from, a senior might carry as long-term damage. Processed red meats are also loaded with saturated fats and low in beneficial nutrients. They provide quick calories, but not the kind of support your heart, brain, or immune system needs to thrive. If you still enjoy deli sandwiches, try switching to fresh roasted turkey, grilled chicken, or plant-based fillings like hummus and vegetables. You don't have to give up flavor. You just have to give up the ingredients that quietly work against you. Now that you know which meats to avoid, let's shift the focus. Because not all meats are harmful. In fact, some can be powerful allies in protecting your health as you age. Up next are 4 meats that can help strengthen your body, sharpen your mind, and support your independence naturally and deliciously. Grass-fed beef liver, nature's multivitamin. It may not be the most glamorous cut of meat, but when it comes to nutrition, grass-fed beef liver is unmatched. This one food contains more essential nutrients than almost any other item you'll find in the grocery store, including vitamin B12, iron, vitamin A, folate, zinc, and CoQ10. For seniors, these nutrients are critical. B12 supports brain function and nerve health. Iron delivers oxygen to your cells. Vitamin A boosts vision and immunity. And CoQ10 protects your heart and energy. Metabolism. 2 areas that naturally decline with age. Many older adults are deficient in these nutrients without realizing it. They may feel tired, foggy, or weak and think it's just normal aging, but often it's poor nutrition. Beef liver gives your body the raw materials it needs to repair, rebuild, and stay sharp. Even better, grass-fed liver is far cleaner than conventional liver, free of hormones, antibiotics, and harmful residues. It's a dense source of nutrition in a small portion. You don't need much. Just 2 to 3 ounces once or twice a week can make a real difference. If you're unsure how to prepare it, try sautéing thin slices with onions or blending small amounts into meatballs or chili. When cooked properly, liver can be rich, savory, and surprisingly satisfying. And Dan is free-range chicken, gentle strength for aging muscles. Chicken is a familiar favorite in most households, but for seniors, free-range chicken is more than just a lean protein. It's a strategic ally in healthy aging. Unlike factory-farmed birds, free-range chickens are raised in more natural conditions, producing meat that's higher in nutrients and lower in harmful residues. The real power of chicken lies in its high-quality protein and amino acid profile. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at building and preserving muscle, a process known as sarcopenia. Free-range chicken provides the essential building blocks to maintain muscle strength, balance, and mobility. It's also gentle on digestion, making it ideal for older adults who may struggle with heavier meats. Plus, it contains vitamin B6, which supports brain function and emotional regulation, and niacin, which helps convert food into energy. Together, these nutrients protect your independence and vitality, helping you stay active and sharp, both mentally and physically. And let's not forget zinc, a mineral that strengthens your immune system and helps you recover faster from illness or injury. In every bite, free-range chicken quietly delivers what your body needs. Most, stability, recovery, and resilience. Whether grilled, baked, or simmered into soups, it's versatile, delicious, and incredibly senior-friendly. It's not just dinner, it's part of your long-term strength plan. 3. Wild-caught salmon, the brain and heart protector. If there's one meat that truly earns the title of superfood for seniors, it's wild-caught salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant, salmon is one of the best choices for protecting both your brain and heart as you age. Omega-3s, particularly EPA and DHA, are essential for reducing inflammation, a root cause of many age-related conditions like arthritis, memory loss, and cardiovascular disease. They help keep arteries flexible, improve circulation, and support healthy blood pressure. Vitamin D is another key nutrient in salmon, crucial for maintaining bone strength, muscle function, and immune support. Most seniors are deficient in vitamin D, especially those who spend more time indoors. Salmon offers a natural way to restore what your body may be missing. And then there's astaxanthin, the compound that gives salmon its pink color. It's one of nature's strongest antioxidants, known to protect brain cells, reduce oxidative stress, and improve skin health. But not all salmon is created equal. Wild-caught salmon has higher levels of omega-3s and fewer toxins than farm-raised varieties. Look for Alaskan sockeye coho or pink salmon for the cleanest options. Salmon is also easy to prepare. Bake it with lemon and herbs, grill it with a drizzle of olive oil, or flake it into a salad. It's soft, easy to chew, and packed with nutrition in every bite. 4. Turkey breast, the mood and sleep enhancer. Turkey isn't just for Thanksgiving. For seniors, skinless turkey breast is one of the leanest, most beneficial meats you can include in your weekly routine. It's high in protein, low in fat, and packed with nutrients that support mental and emotional wellness. One of its standout components is tryptophan, an amino acid that helps your body produce serotonin, the feel-good neurotransmitter that regulates mood and supports restful sleep. As we age, sleep quality and emotional balance often decline, making turkey a surprisingly helpful dietary ally. Turkey is also a rich source of selenium, a mineral that reduces oxidative stress and supports immune health. Combined with B vitamins like niacin and B6, it helps your body produce energy, repair tissue, and stay mentally sharp. And since turkey is naturally low in saturated fat, it's heart-friendly and easy on digestion, a big plus for older adults managing multiple health conditions. For best results, choose fresh skinless breast meat over deli-style slices, which are often processed and high in sodium grill roast, or dice into soups and salads. For a versatile, nutrient-dense meal that's easy to prepare, a few servings of turkey each week can help boost your energy, calm your mind, and improve your sleep without relying on pills or supplements. Conclusion: small choices, big changes. So now you know not all meats are created equal. Some, like bacon-fried meats and deli ham, may taste familiar and comforting, but they quietly drain your strength, cloud your mind, and age your body faster than you think. Others, like salmon liver and free-range chicken, may not always steal the spotlight, but they nourish your brain, protect your heart, and keep you moving with confidence. The key isn't to fear food, it's to choose it wisely, because what you eat after 60 doesn't just affect how you feel today. It shapes your strength, clarity, and independence for years to come. And the best part, it's never too late to make better choices. Maybe that means swapping your morning bacon for baked turkey. Maybe it's adding salmon to dinner twice a week. Maybe it's trying something new, like sautéed beef liver with onions. Start small, but start now. Your body will notice, your energy will return, and your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, leave us a comment below. Which meat will you add or remove from your meals this week? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more weekly tips from Senior Health Wise. Here's to eating smart, staying strong, and living fully at every age.